Come test drive the 2018 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.